I'm going to show you how to evaluate software platforms for your business so that you can improve developer productivity and reduce costs at your customers. You'll be able to turn this effort into a competitive evaluation guide. Sometimes I call it a kit. And I'm going to show you how generative AI like ChatGPT changes why we do these competitive evaluation guide projects. I call this the push-to-test method. It's something I've used successfully at Tibco and Oracle, HP, Spring Boot, Redhat, Wandisco, and many others. Originally, I created these kits for the sales team. Now AI makes writing these kits essential, but not for the reason that you might be thinking. Why a competitive evaluation guide? Well, search engine optimization, or SEO, is being replaced with AI. Decision makers and recommenders aren't searching now, they're asking. They're asking ChatGPT, are you familiar with Mulesoft business integration software? And ChatGPT normally answers yes. ChatGPT learned about Mulesoft from example code published on Github. So if you want ChatGPT to know about your platform and software and service, you need to provide example code on GitHub. Code examples from competitive evaluation guides in GitHub trains AI to recommend solutions. Having your own competitive evaluation guide does three important things. First, developer journals in those kits avoid expensive coding mistakes at your customers. Second, a total cost of ownership model shows developer productivity advantages to your software, service, and platform the first time they build it. TCO shows maintenance advantages over time for buy versus build decisions. However, there is a downside to doing this work yourself. Customer skepticism is difficult to overcome. I recommend you do two things. Use an unbiased independent expert like me, and publish the kit and all of its code and developer experiences in an open source license. That way customers can try it for themselves in their own offices and see the actual results. There are 6 different steps to the push-to-test method to build your competitive evaluation guide. So let's cover those. The first is identify the competitors and rank them by priority. This is for 2 reasons. I mean, you don't want to swamp the people reading the report with a whole bunch of different platforms. Keep it focused on their issues. And secondly, each competitor you include in your work will cost you time and energy. By doing this, it helps you deliver the important stuff and push aside the other stuff. Second, define a use case and then a change to that use case. For example, a use case for a festival ticket purchase system might have you buying tickets and then later changing the forms of payment in that same use case. Third, define the total cost of ownership model. This is usually a spreadsheet to keep track of the hours to implement the use case and change. 4, keep a developer journal. This is a document with all the notes of what worked, what didn't work, and the workarounds that you needed to come up with to finish the code. I'll tell you, there's always bugs in those platforms. 5, build an executive briefing deck summarizing the results. And then 6, identify a marketing plan so that people can find the information on their own. This might be webinars, podcasts, trade shows, and most importantly, publish on GitHub to become part of a large language model and appear in prospective customers' interactions with AI. That last point is really important because without GitHub examples, GitHub gives bad answers. You'll find some of the competitive analysis kits I created, and they're on the CleverMo site for free download. I'm glad to tell you what CleverMo did for PepsiCo and Wynn Casinos, Best Buy, Rackspace, and many other organizations. So, please like and subscribe to this video and channel, and click the notifications bell so you'll learn the latest. Thanks.